Hi everyone, it's Clyde at Vibrant Soap, and today I'm going to be making another gardenia soap. I haven't done that in a long time, and I don't know why, because they're really popular soaps because the scent of gardenia is just so beautiful. I like the gardenia plants near my front door at night. That perfume just kicks in. It just smells so good. But anyway, I got this new mica. It's a neon mica from Micas and More. It's called Magenta Neon. And the thing about neons is they're so powerful. This one hits you in the face, that I wanted to use it where I can showcase that color, but that it's not overpowering. So I kind of used some other micas around it that wouldn't compete, but kind of help it along a little bit, if that makes any sense at all. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I made it. So let's get started right now. Okay, I'm going to be soaping at about 76 degrees today. And I've got some coconut milk and kaolin clay, along with my oils that I'm going to blend first. Big surprise, huh? I want a mostly white soap, except for just a little bit of color. So there's probably only like 3 teaspoons at most of color in this whole thing, other than the titanium dioxide. And it's scented with the beautiful fragrance of white gardenia. This one's not supposed to discolor or accelerate, so I'm hopeful. Although that seemed to have thickened it up pretty quickly right there, so I better get moving. So I'm just going to be using a little bit of color, as I told you. So here's a, wow, that's really setting up fast. So there's my magenta, neon magenta from Micas and More. All of the micas I'm using today are from Micas and More. And the rest of this is going to be white with titanium dioxide. This might be a little bit of false trace. It's cooled back down again in San Diego. Okay, but we better not tempt fate. I think actually I'm going to stir the colors with my little mini whisk here first. Couldn't wait to use this really bright neon magenta pink. I don't usually use neons, but I saw how bright this was and I thought, wow, that'd be powerful. This one's called Ripe Berry Mica. Oh, sorry, that is not. This one's called Hunter Green. And this one is Ripe Berry. Things are thickening up, but I think we're still good to go. I actually like this consistency. Yeah, this is going to behave itself. It smells really good. I haven't made a gardenia scented soap in a long time, so that's usually what helps me make a decision on what kind of soap to make next, is to look at my inventory, see what I haven't made for a long time. This is great swirling texture consistency. So let's get in this ripe berry first. I'm pouring from about 2 feet up in a circle. Save some for the top. I'm going to sandwich in this green, pouring from about 2 feet up again. Then getting closer. That way I get it deep and then on the surface a little. And here's my neon. That's going to go right in there. Wow, look at that. And that's beautiful. Okay, we're ready to pour already. So I think I want to pour right in the middle. get this green in first. Then the right berry. Trying to get it right in the middle. And then this neon. Wow, that is bright. Okay, and because this is really bright, and I haven't done this for a while, I'm going to do a spoon texturing. That was unusual. Did you see that? The magenta kind of disappeared a little bit, and when I went back again, instead of mudding it down, it brought out the brightness, so it must have been the way it was rolled in there. Okay, so let me clean up the sides and we're done. I'll go around again. This one I do want to put an Enviro glitter on top. And I wanted to really see how this Mystic Blue Enviro glitter looks on top. Should look a little frosted. Very cool. So right there we go with the top, and I think I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to let it set up a little bit more, and then I'm going to bring some of the sides in a little bit, just because I like that look, and it cuts better, I think. Let me see if I'm ready to do that. Yeah, I'm just going to bring it away from the sides a little bit. Tapers the top a little. Brings that white back into it again too. Like a gardenia, so I'm going to do that again on this side. There we go. That looks more finished to me. Okay, let's bring you back for the cut. Okay, let's see what this neon looks like inside the soap. Pretty bright. Beautiful. I really like just a little bit of color in a white soap. Of course, I like color everywhere too, so. Oh, that's a nice one. Of course, I'm really happy when I don't get the glycerin rivers. I got a little bit right in there, but it kind of follows the pattern. And it's just a little bit. So that's okay. Very little mica in this soap. Wow. So remember that I poured the soap from the center of the loaf and kept the pour right there, so it's going to look a little different in the center of the soap, I would guess. Right in there. There's a little more glycerin rivers as I get to the center. Maybe that's because it gets a little warmer in the center. But so far, so good. I like this really fine line of that magenta color there. This one frames the whole bar really nicely. So I can find something nice to say about every bar. It's intriguing how every bar looks different. Seems so far that with this pour, most of the color ended up on the ends of the loaf. Because here it is coming back again. Wow, look at that. Wow. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. But that's what I like about cutting. Thanks for watching. And thank you for subscribing. So I had some people asking me questions about when a new video is coming out, and I like that in there. And certainly if you subscribe, it should work that when I have a new video, you get a little notification, but who knows these days. Check out my Instagram and my new website. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.